Okay, in this video we're going to find an angle in standard position, and it's an angle in standard position that's whose terminal side goes through a particular point. So let's say the point angle theta is an angle in standard position, and -2, -5 is on the terminal side of angle theta. We need to find angle theta to the nearest tenth of a degree. So let's label our angle in standard position. So we know that's in quadrant 3, so we rotate. So -2, -5 is about here. There are many angles that can have that terminal side, but since we're only interested in angles between 0 and 360, we must have rotated that amount. That is angle theta. I'm going to draw a right triangle. This side must be labeled -2. That is -5. And I'm going to call this angle here R for the reference angle, because we need to find that first before we find angle theta, because our inverse trig functions don't always give us angle theta directly. So we note that the tangent of R, and you can ignore negatives in this case, but it really won't matter. Either ignore the negatives now or ignore it when you're doing when you find the angle itself. Ignoring negatives, tangent of R is clearly phi over 2, which means R is tan inverse of phi over 2. That's not something we know off the top of our head, so we use a calculator or a website and use Desmos. Tan inverse tan inverse of 5/2 is about 68.2 degrees. So that's angle R. The angle in standard position is 180 beyond that, right? Because angle theta plus 180 degrees. Angle theta is clearly 180 degrees to get you clearly to the negative x-axis plus the extra 68.2 degrees. So angle theta must be 248.2 degrees. And we are done.